Hello everybody! Just another idea I've been tinkering with. We all like rocket stoves, but we don't want all the hassle of building them and moving them, and they're heavy and not easy to take apart, so I made this one. This is an old gas bottle, and maybe you can see inside. Let's try it from the top. I made a bracket inside. This hole will be the feed tube. This hole will be the burn tube, or at least the exhaust. There is no heat recovery system on this yet. But what I did was the following. It's all scrap material. This is an old gas bottle, welded an iron plate on top. This is a piece of central heating duct. It fits snugly inside, I hope, like this. Then I got another piece of pipe that fits right in the top, and your stove is ready. Looks like this. This has a big draw, so it burns like crazy. In the next clip I will light it up and you can see it burn. I will fetch me some wood so I don't take forever to prime it, and then we'll light it up together. You can see how this burns. It's just a fun project, nothing really special, nothing really you can use for a long time. But if you want to have a source of fire, of heat, quickly built, easy to disassemble and to take with you somewhere, this is it, I think. Okay, so I will stop the video now, and the next clip I will light it up. Thank you.